Ganyan-ganyan ako sa mga anak ko pero Tagalog lang kami. Hirap pag English baka mas mapariwara. Tawang-tawa talaga ako sa comment na to. Pero Mami Len, thank you very much for your comment, no? Tulad nga ng reply ko sa'yo, di ba? Sabi ko, kahit Tagalog yan, Bisaya, or kahit anong language, ang mahalaga, makakonect tayo sa mga anak natin. Pero, kidding aside, no, ang masasabi ko lang, or mabibigay ko na advice sa mga kapwa kong parents, and for the soon-to-be parents, is that we have to practice an open and effective communication with our children. Mahalaga to sa kanila kasi, if we do that, no, our children, they will feel loved, they will feel secured, they'll feel assured, and they'll also feel respected, which in return will actually help boost their self-esteem. And also mga parents, make sure na kapag ginagawa natin to, is that we actually actively listen to what they are saying. Kumbaga, we give them our undivided attention. Alright? So that's actually my tip, and hope it works.